Interpreting vast amounts of technical data is often the most time-consuming part of fleet management. Today, we are demonstrating how the Oil Sample Copilot Agent uses a code interpreter to transform complex datasets into clear visualizations, structured summaries, and ready-to-share executive reports. Let's move into Copilot Studio to see the Fabric Data Agent in action within a broader workflow. By embedding the agent here, we can interrogate our entire data estate using natural language. In this scenario, we are asking an in-depth question to fetch oil sample data from the last 2 years and requesting a specific trend chart to be created. The Copilot Studio agent calls the Fabric Data Agent via the Fabric MCP to gather the necessary records. Once the information is retrieved, the agent offers a comprehensive summary highlighting trends, anomalies, and actionable insights. When we confirm, Copilot Studio triggers the code interpreter. You can see it generating and running Python code in real time to analyze the dataset. On the right, the agent presents a structured summary revealing critical patterns and specific machine health concerns. The code interpreter identifies a severe issue with a particular device related to oil aging and acidity. It provides a brief analysis of the findings alongside a detailed visualization. To make these insights portable, we have enabled a single-click on PDF generation. This produces a professionally structured executive summary, following specific instructions to ensure the output is ready for stakeholders. This document clearly identifies the at-risk device and summarizes the technical findings. The report also provides key findings and suggested next steps, such as replacing engine oil imminently to avoid catastrophic failure. The visualization highlights fleet averages over the last 24 months, specifically tracking TBN and TAN levels. While the fleet averages are shown in dashed lines, the agent uses solid lines to highlight the specific device with the critical acidity issue. All of these unique insights were gathered from a single instruction and a few follow-up questions, without any manual data processing. By combining the analytical power of Python with natural language interaction, this agent streamlines the entire technical analysis process. It allows service managers to move from raw data to a professional maintenance recommendation in minutes, ensuring that critical fleet risks are identified and addressed with total precision.